are my favorite flavor.
It's mine too.
Why?
What do you do?
I eat stuff online.
You mukbang?
Ah! Oh my god!
I met this girl last night. She's amazing.
What's so special about this one, huh?
She's kind of off in a captivating, quirky way.
Did you know that when I'm near you, my entire body gets tingly?
How did you cook this? This is like beyond good.
Secret family recipe. I told you I'd have to kill you.
You think you like it rough?
Ash, I saw what you did to that man.
I don't kill just anyone. I only kill the ones that get away with doing horrible things to innocent people.
How many people have you done this to?
It's a circle of life. People live and people die. God, I just feel so alive.
This is so much more fun with you.
Hey, all you bangers. Welcome back to my channel.
You got something special. Food is fuel. I don't know about you. I'm starving.